Hi, I purchased some pop-on veneers because I am a performer and I need to have a nice smile. And even though I go to my dentist regularly and get cleanings and I use good toothpaste and even teeth whiteners, I didn't feel like my smile was as bright and white as I wanted it to be. So I ordered the pop-on veneers. It was very easy to take the impressions. I sent them back, and within 2 weeks I got my veneers. So here's my smile currently, and here's with my veneers. Maybe make sure that's the bottom, and then the top, and there you have it. A great smile. I can sing with them in, I can talk, I can even eat. Thank you, Pop-On Veneers.